Welcome to this training CNC training class for today's class. So today I would like to explain you the drilling cycle, that is PEC drilling cycle. So this is G74. This is also called as CAN cycle. So by using this code we can write the drilling programs for CNC Phoenix Center. So now I will explain how we will write the program by using this CAN cycle. So the format for this G74 is G74 and R a retract value, and then G74 Z and Q and feed. So this is the programming format for writing this PEC drilling cycle for our CNC turning center. So what is the meaning of this R, Z, Q and F? Let me explain regarding this. See, R is a retract value, and Z is depth of hole, and Q is depth of cut per pass in microns, and F is feed in mm per revolution or mm per minute. See, this is the programming format. So by using this format we should write the program for this turning center. Okay, see what is the meaning of this retract? See, retract means, see friends, if I want to do a drilling operation in conventional, see the depth of hole is 10 mm, assume 10 mm is there. So when we do the drilling operation by using a drilling machine or conventional lathe, what we will do? So we will not do the 10 mm depth at once. Okay, so what we will do? We will move the drill bit from here to here, beginning 2 mm or 3 mm, and we will get it back. Okay, and then we will move the tool up to here. We will move the tool back. So in this way we will finish the whole depth of hole. Okay, so in CNC also, when we want to do this drilling operation for this length, so we will move the tool for certain depth and we will remove back and we will move backward. So for removing the tool backward for certain length, we will use the word retract. See, if I mention 1 mm here or 1 mm, that means what the CNC will do? So it will move up to certain value and it will come back from that surface by this 1 mm. Okay, again it will move and it will come back for 1 mm. Okay, that is the meaning of retract. So what about Z? So Z is the full depth of hole. See, for example, if the hole length is 10 mm, I have to write 10 mm, and Q is depth of cut per pass in microns. For example, if I write 2000 here, that means the controller will assume this as 2000 microns, that means 2 mm. So this is the depth of cut per pass. So that means what? When the controller read this value, so that tool will move from, so here it is 0 now. So from here the drill bit will move 2 mm and it will come back 1 mm. That is the retract. And then if I write the feed as 1, that means 1 mm per revolution. For every revolution the drill bit will advance 1 mm, or the value I have written, it will consider that one. Okay, so this is the meaning. So R is retract, that means while doing the drilling it up to certain value, that means up to 2 mm it will go and it will come back 1 mm. Again it will go 4 mm, it come back 1 mm. Okay, and again it will go 2 mm, 6 mm and it will come back 1 mm. That is the retract. Okay. So this is total depth, and this one is feet per revolution. Okay. So now I will show you how we will write the program by using this format. See, for writing the program, so the tool number is tool number for in my machine, the drill bit is fixed at station number 1. Therefore, it is tool number 1. This is the workpiece. The whole depth is 10 mm. Okay. So as you know, the program will start with writing O180. This is the program name. And then sequence number. So I will send this to its home position. It may be G30 or G28, U0, W0 end of block. So N10, and I will select the tool. Tool number is here 1 and offset number is 1, N15, and then I will rotate the workpiece. M03 and the spindle speed may be 800. So this RPM depends upon the diameter of the drill bit. So we should select accordingly. And then N20. So I will move the tool rapidly to the work 0 and face of the work X0 and Z0. So feed is not necessary here because G00 is there. And then so now we should write G74 and R2. This is the retract value. Okay, again N30 G74 Z minus 10 mm and Q is 2000 microns and feed is 1 mm. And then N35 G00 Z10 mm and N40 G00 G30 U0 W0 end of block. N45 M30. So this is the programs for drawing the drilling operation by using this PEG drilling cycle. Okay, so let me explain once again. See here, this is the name of program, and this block is for sending the tool to its home position, and here the tool will change, the indexing will take place. It will select the tool number 1 and offset number 1, and here the workpiece will start to rotate at 8000 rpm. Here it is the rapid positioning from the home position up to workpiece 00, and then this is the format for our drilling cycle. So G74R means retract. So retract means what? So when finishing this hole for certain length, it will go up to 2 mm per pass and it will come back. So it will come back because to clear the chips in the hole. Okay, so for the purpose of retracting is to clear the chips. And then G74, this is the final depth, and this is depth of cut per pass and feed. While doing the drilling, it will consider this much of feed. After completion of this hole, the tool will come back to safety position by 10 mm, and then it will go to its home position again, and this is the program end and rewind. See, this is the theory for writing the PEG drilling cycle. Now I will show how these commands will execute in our machine also. Please watch till the end. Okay, let me show how this drilling program will work out in our CNC turning center. See, the program is there. Already this program I explained. See, here the tool will go to its home position, tool changing takes place, and workpiece will rotate at 600 rpm, rapid positioning to work center and work face. So this is the format. So G74 R2 means for every depth the tool will come back 2 mm for clearing the chips, and this is the final depth of hole. Here this is the depth of cut per pass in microns, and this is the feed per revolution, and then it will come back to its safety position after finishing this hole. And this is for homing again, and M30 is for program end and rewind. So this is the program for drilling, that to peg drilling. So now I will run this program automatically. See how this commands will execute. See now the tool is going to its home position, and M06 tool changing. This is for rapid positioning. Okay, so now the tool is X0 and Z0. You please do center drilling before putting any drill bits. See now it is doing drilling operation. See, this is the retract. So this is retract by 2 mm for clearing the chips. So you please use coolant while drilling, so it come back to its safety position, coming to 10 mm, and it will go to its home position, and this is program end and rewind. So this is the peg drilling procedure. Thank you very much.